Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tún pẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìjà tó wáyé láàrin Tóyìn Abraham àti Lizzy Anjorin. Ohun tí mo máa ṣe rèé tí mo bá pọ́mọ 50 ọdún. Nice olórin tàkasúfèé tún pẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jókòó ẹ gbọ́ ìròyìn náà lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́. Olórin tàkasúfèé ni Àbọ̀lọ́rẹ́ Nice ti sọ ohun tó fẹ́ ṣe tó bá ti pọ́mọ 50 ọdún. Ọkùnrin olórin ọmọ bíbí Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ náà sọ pé òun máa kọ ìlà sójú òun gẹ́gẹ́ bí àṣà ìdílé òun, èyí tí bàbá òun ṣe. Nice sọ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn ló ń sọ pé àwọn ò gbàgbọ́ pé òun máa ṣe léyìí, ṣùgbọ́n òun á ṣe tí wọ́n á sì rí nígbà tí òun bá ṣe é. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó pẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìjà tó wáyé láàrin Tóyìn Abraham àti Lizzy Anjorin àti ìgbésẹ̀ tó gbé láti yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.
A lot of you don't know this, but let me tell you, when she came for Toyin, the first thing I did was I called her. This thing called Lizzy Anjorin, I called her. I said, Liz, what's going on? Why you did it? She said, Toyin set her up. Toyin did this. I said, but Toyin just had a baby. She said,
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin yóò sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bí ọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú Lizzy Anjorin bí wọ́n ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ o, bí wàhálà ọ̀hún bí ó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Tóyìn Abraham. Gbogbo rẹ̀ ló sọ nínú fídíò yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó sọ.
She waited for the right time to do that. She did this. IYABO, if it's you cannot take it. There's evidence. Now, this evidence which she always claim what she gets. For once, I was confused. I carried myself. Called Toyin. Toyin, where are you? I had not gone to see Toyin's baby, oh. Toyin, where are you? She said, she's at home. Auntie IYABO, Etiwa money, I'm coming. I've been busy. I've been working, but I saw what happened. She said, Auntie, I don't even understand right now. I went to see that poor girl that day. I didn't climb upstairs because our in-laws were there. There were a lot of people in the house. I stayed downstairs. Toyin came downstairs to meet me. She was crying already, safe. Auntie IYABO, omi ti gbẹ lọ́yàn mi. In fact, the shock was so much for her that she could not produce milk to feed her baby. This one is confirmer. I asked Toyin, give me your phones. Toyin said, Auntie IYABO, clever phone, give me your phones. I collected Toyin's phone. I now went to her WhatsApp. I was looking for a group. Maybe she has a group of, titans. So Auntie IYABO, kini wa lórí phone? I said, where is the group? Where is the group of titans? I want to dismantle the group. I want to... Why are your fans going there to bully her and write petition and do everything? She just said, Auntie IYABO, believe me. Auntie IYABO, shame me. That's what Toyin said. Auntie IYABO, shame me. So I was to be by. Láti wá confirm irọ́ tí Lizzy ń pa mọ́ mi. Why would I want to set her up? Kí lè máa Lizzy jọ ń fà? We don't shoot the same kind of movies. We don't do the same kind of business. We are not age mate or age set. We are not dating the same man and married. So I don't understand what is the connection, Auntie IYABO. They want to phone me. Oh yeah, I go through. Oh yeah, wo dada. Even when I told me, Emma to return phone. Emma take phone yellow. Emma, she called her PA. Ba mi mú phone kan wá lókè yẹn náà tún mú phone wá. Ẹgbà kúkú kó gbogbo ẹ lọ. She gave me password. Auntie Toyin is alive. Ask her. Toyin started crying. She was crying. We were downstairs in the compound. She was crying. Auntie IYABO, believe me. She kini cut. I said, my baby. I said, I beg you. I did not see Toyin's baby that day. Because of this stupid Lizzy Anjorin. I did not see Toyin's baby that day. I did not climb upstairs. Because I was in shock. Glory to she fell set up. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? I never came out to say all this. I left that day with a lot of pain in my heart because Toyin is someone I love so much. I felt like, did I distrust Toyin for once? Did I do right? But I was just trying to help sort out whatever issue was going on that I wasn't aware of. All the gifts I bought for Toyin, the pampers and everything, not for Toyin, for the baby, she didn't collect them. She said she was not going to take them. Yes, Toyin and I had a fight over Lizzy Anjorin's issue. And Liz never even knew about. I never even told Liz about it. She said she's not taking those things. That how can I believe Liz over her? She was very unhappy that day. You subjected that girl, put Toyin into depression. You labeled her. There was Lizzy Anjorin. No. After that day, I went to Toyin's house. I called Liz and I kept asking her to send me the proof of evidence that she has against Toyin. Till today, Liz has not sent any proof of evidence. You came out, sat in front of your house, did video, cursing on Toyin and her new baby, labeling her, lying, saying a lot of defamatory things about her. Until today, to this minute, as I'm doing this video, you have not shown us one proof of evidence. So I told Mommy Ezabod, Ma, please, kindly ask her for proof. Let her, she has refused to show us the proof.
ọ̀rọ̀ ti di wóró sí wóró báyìí o.